What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do and I'd greatly appreciate it. Sorry for the background noise. I do have my AC running. As you guys know, if you live in Cleveland, Ohio, we've had some record-breaking heat here over the past week. So I'm sorry about that if you hear some of that air conditioner noise. But in today's video, we're still doing some more, or we are doing some more talking about laundry room maintenance, specifically on our LG Thin Q here, our washing machine. We are talking about a product called affresh. It's a washing machine cleaner tablet that you put inside of your washer, and it's supposed to help with breaking down some of that stuff that we now know and do not like, which is the fabric softener and the Tide Pods that do not completely dissolve inside of our washing machines when we do our wash cycles. So if you're ever wondering what that really stinky smell is, and most of us should know this by now, is that residue around the drum. I'll try to put a sticker picture for you guys to see. This is what your handyman or the company that you call, if you don't do your own do-it-yourself maintenance on your machines here, if you call somebody to do it for you, that is what the inside of that drum looks like on your washing machine, and that's where all that stinky smell is coming from. Now, for front load washers like this, another thing people forget to do is clean around this rim and this hole down there, that hole right there. That gets clogged up. This builds up with lint and hair and gunk and all that nastiness, and that also leaves a smell. One easy free tip to do is always make sure after your wash cycles you leave the door open. Now, I know they sell props on Amazon. I'll leave that in the link for, or leave that in the description for you guys with the link. You don't necessarily need that, but that's just a safety precaution if you have younger kids that are walking and running past your washers all the time and you don't want them to close it on their little fingers. But for mine, I've got a baby gate right there that I keep closed, so I'm not worried about my kids running into this or accidentally closing their fingers in it. So after your wash cycles, always make sure you leave the door open so that air can circulate through your washing machine drums. That goes for top loads and front loads. Now, getting on to the actual product here. This is, again, a washing machine cleaning tablet. This is one of the best products out there for different types of machines. Also, they don't just make washing machine cleaning tablets. They make them for other things as well, like your garbage disposal, for your dishwashers as well. So here's what the package actually looks like. It's a small white tablet. All you do is throw this inside of your drum, front top load or front load here. And then if you have a tub clean cycle or a washer clean cycle, put your machine on that cycle, throw the tablet in there, and then run it. Now, before and after you do this is just my personal opinion, make sure you guys clean out your filters as well. But before we get into that, do not put any of these tablets inside of the dispenser here. Do not do that. There's a possibility it could get clogged in there. You're not going to get a good clean anyway because most of the tablet will still be here. A little bit of water will run on it and dissolve a little bit of it, but it'll still be there. Do not put it up here. Make sure you throw it directly inside the drum. Now, getting onto the filter down here. For our LG Thin Qs, most of your front loads will be in this exact area. Some different spots for top loads. So just make sure you find yours and clean it out. So for this one, I have a video on this as well. All you do, it takes you literally 2 minutes, 120 seconds. But lift down this door here. There's your filter inside here. Unscrew it. You're going to have some water come out. Put some towels down. But it's literally going to take you 2 minutes. Unscrew it, run it underwater, clean out any of the particles that are on it, clean out, look inside this hole, use a flashlight, use your cell phone flashlight, whatever you want to use, clean out any debris that's in there, screw the filter back in, boom, close it up, and you're done.